The greatest love you can give someone is in complete acceptance of their essence, especially when their essence collides with yours. When you can truly see the other for their wounds, their failings, their limitations, their imperfections, their conditioning, and understand them with the greatest compassion and liberate them to be themselves without expectations, without conditions, without transactions, without possession, without ownership, without control. Now that to me is the highest form of love. The greatest gift we can give someone is our complete, unequivocal, non-judgmental, fully compassionate acceptance of their essence, especially when it doesn't agree with ours. Especially then. Can we love the other even when they're hurting us? Can we love them even when we project onto them an enemy? Can we love them even when they go against our belief systems? Now, if we loved people like that, it would be the end of violence, the end of suffering. So ask yourself, am I giving the other my complete acceptance, my complete freedom, my complete gratitude, and my complete joyful recognition and celebration of their essence?